Hey, I just want to share with everybody what a piece of crap a Kenmore refrigerator is. This refrigerator is about 4 years old, and just recently it malfunctioned and it froze up where everything inside the refrigerator was frozen, meaning the defroster function quit. So the first thing I did was open the doors, let it sit for a whole day, let it thaw out, and then fired it back up and try to make it work. And I tested several things on it. The first thing I tested was the light switch, which is right there. The reason I tested that is because at first the lights wouldn't come on when you open the door. So I pulled this switch out and tested it with an ohm meter. The switch tested okay. It had continuity when the buttons were out, no continuity when the buttons were in, and it has a temperature sensor in the switch that also had continuity, but I had no way to find out what the resistance was supposed to be. So from there, I thought the most likely culprit was this computer board in the back of the refrigerator. So we ordered this computer board. That computer board was about $300 through an appliance repair place. If you notice right here on the computer board, that connector right there has all the parts that would be used for a USB port. It has a 5-volt pin, a test pin, TX, RX, and ground. All those are the essential pins for a USB port, except that you can't plug a USB connector into it. Now you would think that that port could be used to diagnose a refrigerator by a Sears service person, but it can't. They use that port to program the refrigerator when it's new. So first I bought one of these for $300 and plugged it in, and that didn't fix it. It had different symptoms after that. So I put my original board back in, and the refrigerator would work hit or miss, but it was too cold. It would freeze the milk in the refrigerator. And none of these controls right here would light up. And also the water dispenser quit working. So the next thing I bought was this thing right here, which is the other control board. Now in the meantime, after I bought the first board, we called a Sears service person to come to the house, and that person had no diagnostic equipment with him. He immediately called Sears on the phone and tried to get someone to help him figure out what's wrong with the refrigerator. Those people hung up on him, and his decision was that this was bad, the board in the back of the refrigerator was bad, and the switch was bad. And he wanted $800 to fix it. Well, that's about what we paid for the refrigerator, so we said no thanks. We paid him $85 for coming here and helping us none. So I ordered this piece. I think this piece was about $120, and I ordered the switch, which was about $20. So I put that piece in the refrigerator, and still didn't quite work. The lights wouldn't light up, and this wouldn't light up. So the last thing I did was replace this stupid switch right here. Now the refrigerator works fine after spending close to $500 on parts and wasting $85 on Sears to come look at the damn thing. Now it's fixed. But what a piece of shit.